Hello. We are making a fleece beanie. So today we're going to do the cutouts. You're going to learn how to do our cutouts and how to pin everything together for the beanie. We're going to prep to sew. First we need fabric scissors, a Sharpie, some pins. We need our pattern. So we've got this. I don't remember the dimensions of this. I'll put that in. And then we also have this. And then you need some fleece. So let's get started. First we are going to take this and we're going to lay it on our fabric and we're just going to trace it, and we're going to do this 4 times. Your fabric should look something like this. Now we're going to cut like a square around so it's easier to cut these all out. Okay, next step is going to be just to cut these outlines out. You're going to take your fabric scissors and you're just going to cut them out. Okay, now you should have 4 little panel things that just look like this. You get the idea. So now we're going to put these to the side for now, and we're going to cut this with our fabric. So we're going to lay our fabric out again and then do the same thing. We're just going to trace this and cut it out. Okay, now your cutting is done. No more cutting. So now we'll have 1 long rectangle and 4 of these pieces. So now you're gonna want to find on your fabric which side you want facing out, so which like texture, I guess. Mine has like this one that's like kind of felty, a little more rough looking, and then just like this nice fleece looking side. So I'm gonna line them all up on the table with the side that I want facing like out on the outside, like facing up. So I'm gonna lay them out all like this. So now I have all of mine facing like the good side out, so facing up. So now I'm going to take one with the good side up and I'm gonna flip it over so like the good side is facing the table, and I'm gonna place it on top of another one. So now it is bad side out on both sides. So the good side is they're facing each other, pressed down to each other. And I'm gonna do this on both of my panels. Okay, so now that you have that, you're gonna take your pins now, and I'm going to pin along the left side of it. I'll show you. Okay, so now I pinned on the left-hand side, just like this, just to secure them, keep them together, and we're gonna sew along that line eventually. And you're gonna do this with both panels now. Okay, so now we have both of our panels pinned. And I like to, when I'm sewing, I will just take the pins out as I go. Okay, so now we're going to take this fabric and we're going to lay it out with the good side up. So this is the side you want facing out, like want people to see. And we are going to fold it in half. Folded it in half so that the good sides are again on the inside. And now we're just going to pin along this line. Okay, so now we have this pinned. It'll just look like this. We have this pinned, and this pinned, just like so. So now we're done prepping our material. Next step will be to sew and assemble. So that's part 1. That's step 1 of making our fleece beanies.